Hello everybody. For those who find my video without going through my website, let me introduce myself quickly. My name is Gilles Ortubise, and my name as a self-taught and multidisciplinary scientist and inventor is Gilles Lauzon Ortubise, and I am the owner and the founder of the first human multi-intelligence.com. So this title is of this video is a process which is responsible for formation of new atoms at once. Part 1. The process which is responsible for the force formation of new atoms at once of each of the 94 species of natural chemical element is only that of the black celestial sphere of all size. Yes, because the star could not doing this, and the fusion does not exist. So, and I explained in some other video before. So why these process? It's only that of the black celestial sphere of all size. It's because this type of gravitational object is the one with the most powerful and extreme physical characteristic and all gravitational objects in the universe. And despite this, the black celestial sphere are unable to produce a nuclear fusion between two hydrogen atoms to form helium atoms, quite simply because nuclear fusion does not exist, and for many other reasons which are explained in the video and in the 4 parts of the black hole article, which are actually black celestial sphere and which are published on the website, on my website, firsthumanmultiintelligence.com. In addition to forcibly form new atoms and only one at a time by this process, but from a kind of elementary particle which comes from the same kind of all chemical elements. As a result, the black celestial sphere are able to forcibly form one proton at a time from a hydrogen atom by forcing the U or D quark species of hydrogen, which the other U or D quark which is on one species, and in the same way to form the other 93 species of natural chemical elements, because in reality 94 species of quark U or D are necessary for the separate formation and once at a time of the 94 species of different protons for each of the 94 species of natural chemical elements. And the other quark U or D can be of only one species, and the same species for the other for the 94 species of all natural chemical elements, in such a way as to prevent the black celestial sphere from forming atoms of each of the 94 species of natural chemical elements, which U or D quark of another natural chemical element. And this has the consequences that the amount of each of the 94 species of a natural chemical elements cannot change. And therefore that the chemical composition of the universe cannot change too. And this even if all the other species of the elementary particles are all of the same species. So, of course, here, yes, to produce to force formation of new atoms at once. It's necessary to do it with the right species of each element of the 94 species of elementary of chemical of natural chemical elements. Okay. Because this way, that's why the celestial sphere, they produce again and again new atoms with the same species of quark, U or D, for each of the 94 natural chemical elements. Okay, and so it's absolutely necessary then to have one species. But for all the other species of elementary particle, they can be all to the same species. So it doesn't matter, because at least they have one species of quark Q or D, which is unique for each of the 94 species of the natural chemical elements. Okay, so, and that's why then the composition of the universe, it's so, they have so much difference between the quantity of the each 94 species of natural chemical elements, because we know then the quantity of atoms of hydrogen, this quantity in number, it's much bigger than all the other 93 species of the natural chemical elements. So, and of course, so that's why they have so much difference between all of those, all of the 94 species of natural chemical elements. They have huge difference. So, and why the iron have a percentage which is so big? Because iron is far away from the first natural chemical elements. It's far away. So why they have so much difference between all of the 94 species of elementary chemical elements? It's because of this. It's because then each species have a unique species of quark Q or D, and that's why the black celestial sphere reproduce by force new atoms with is same species of quark Q or D, and not with a species of quark Q or D from another species, but only with the same species. So I think that's enough for this video. So thank you very much, and see you to the next.